Astinave, Ecuadorian naval shipyard, began as a naval arsenal in 1934, with the mission to provide maintenance to the units of the Ecuadorian Navy. The shipbuilding path began in 1971 with the manufacture of ferro-cement yachts. Then, through its entrepreneurial vision, in 1982, Astinave took on the challenge of building the country's first tanker ship, the Taurus, as well as Marañón Patrol Class, the Amazonas Assault Class, and Huancavelica Fluvial Class boats, all designed and built in our facilities. Thanks to the success of these important projects, Astinave continues its shipbuilding development, diversifying its products to include steel and aluminum boats, barges, yachts, tugboats, barges, tankers and dredgers, thus serving the major industrial and shipping sectors in the country. At Astinave, we employ technicians and professionals highly skilled in naval design and construction for each of our projects, giving excellent results to our value-added projects and surpassing the needs and expectations of our customers. We are the shipyard with the largest installed capacity in the country, where we built units with naval steel and aluminum hulls, and certifications under Lloyd's Register, Bureau Veritas, and ABS, by which we transmit to our customers trust and professionalism in each of the projects we develop. With a modern design department and using state-of-the-art technological equipment and software, we develop designs in 2 dimensions and 3 dimensions, structural calculations, tightness and tilt tests, protocol development of dock and sea trials, as well as simulations and structural modeling, which allow us to assess the projects before development. Quality is an ongoing commitment at Astinave. We comply with all regulatory standards and requirements of international and national maritime safety. Thus, thanks to the efforts of all we do at Astinave, we are ISO 9001-2000 quality standard accredited. Astinave has a concrete slipway, a stranding step and platform with lifting capacity up to 750 tons and 70 meters. Plus, we have a transfer yard with capacity to accommodate up to 6 ships simultaneously, allowing venture into new designs, development of construction projects, and repairing of boats, this being one of our competitive advantages over other shipyards. For larger vessels, we have 2 floating docks, Orellana and Napo, allowing us to offer services such as docking, repair and construction, the capability of lifting vessels up to 8,000 tons of displacement, 130 meters long, 16.5 meters wide, and 7.3 meters in draft. Our floating docks have 2 mobile cranes with a lifting capacity of up to 20 tons and an angle of 45 degrees to carry out work, such as welding works, wetted surface painting, cathodic protection, main deck cleaning, and propulsion system maintenance. Naval Systems is a new business unit at Astinave, which operates in 3 areas of technology, including surveillance and electronics defense systems, command and control systems, and communications systems, developing all phases of engineering for the production of said systems. In the laboratory, conceptualization, design, implementation, integration, and tests. On board, installation, and systems validation. The experience and expertise of the Naval Systems staff in the production of software, databases, electronic devices, hardware, and firmware allows Astinave to be the only shipyard in the region with the capacity to provide its customers with comprehensive naval solutions. To address the boating industry and industrial workshops, Astinave has the latest equipment in lathe and metalworking, iron foundry, internal combustion, electronics, plumbing, welding, naval carpentry, painting, and sandblasting. We also provide non-destructive testing services such as inspection of weld cords, ship plate thickness, tests on dry and wet magnetic particles, tests with fluorescent and visible inks, laser shaft alignment verification, vibration analysis. Astinave, always concerned for the safety and welfare of all of its employees, constantly trains all staff in the most prestigious national and international institutions, and cares for them, providing the security needed for the rollout of its work. Thus, at Astinave, we remain at the forefront of the maritime industry, providing services in naval construction and repairs with highly qualified personnel, meeting the needs of our customers, and contributing to the development and progress of the country's maritime sector.